Hello guys, welcome to Toy Stories TV. Today we will play with Hot Wheels cars and the Chuggington repair station. This is our friend Chuggington, Wilson. Oh, he bumped in the cars. Poor Wilson, I think he's broken. Today we are going to take him to the repair station, which is here, so he can get fixed. Wilson is going to meet the Hot Wheels cars and they are going to go on the slide. Let's put all the Hot Wheels cars here. And then we'll see if they can go together. Oh, that one went down. Let's put it back here. I think all the cars are stuck in traffic. Now they are going to move up a bit and up and go. Go. Oh. They got stuck in the mud. They bumped in the mud. Look at this. Oh dear, that's a big accident. All these cars need to be repaired. Let's take them up to the repair station. Here's the repair station. We put the car. And then once again going up here. And now ready, steady, go! They're so fast. I know why they call them Hot Wheels cars. They're really fast, all of them. But they can't get through the mud. They get stuck here and they get broken. They turn around and they fall off. So we need again to take them up and get them repaired so they can compete again. Look at this. Now maybe they can go this way. Stuck in the mud again. Look at all these Hot Wheels cars. Now let's take them out and put them here in the parking. Now they can rest. They did a very good job. Oh, there's another one. It looks like a very quick racing car. Let's see how fast it is. Oh, this. Ready, steady, go. That's really fast, isn't it? That's very fast. Well done, Hot Wheels cars. Well done, Hot Wheels cars, says Wilson. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. And now Wilson can go as well. Ready, steady, go. Ready, steady, go. Thank you. Bye.